everyone. Today we will introduce the feature of the public page. First, we click on the technical file we are working on. Go to the Documents tab. Click on Set Document Permissions. Shares are allowed by default, but public is unchecked. You will need to select the documents you want to make public. Let's say we choose these two. Click on Save and Close. Let's go back to the Product tab. By default, the status of the public page is inactive. We need to change it to active. Click on Save. After setting it up, the customer can scan this QR code directly to view the documents we just made public. Or we can share this link with the customer. The customer will see a public page like this. They can directly download the documents that were made public. Thank you for your attention.